if the average listing duration decreases, and if we have this classical slot model, so we are selling slots, not listing. So if the average listing duration decreases, then also the need for slots decreases, which means our revenue decreases. And this is really a problem. So for everyone who has a slot logic and thinks that AI will help the sellers to decrease their listing duration, you should think about what you do with that. And we really discussed this in our projects. So there are definitely different options what to do. One of the easiest one could be switching to a listing model. So people don't pay for slots anymore, but in the future they pay for listings. And if the listing duration decreases, that's not a problem for us. Another option is just introducing a base fee. So especially when we think about we deliver more and more data products, tools, and services for the customers, then it might also be an idea to say, let us move more towards software as a service like monetization. So having a higher base fee for the services that we deliver and maybe combine it with a demand component, for example. But of course, if you have this base fee, then this also is independent of a listing duration. And the last one is a demand component. If you monetize pay-per-leads, for example, then often if the supply goes down, demand goes up. So then you have some kind of an arbitrage model. It's not always the case, so that's not the solution or the perfect solution for it, but it helps in some cases.